Mastering German past tense. Greetings, language enthusiasts. In this video series, we delve into the intricacies of learning German for beginners. Following our previous lesson on expressing yourself when unwell, this session focuses on mastering the past tense. Get ready for a small exercise to solidify your knowledge. Let's dive in. Understanding past tense basics. To start, we'll cover the foundations of constructing sentences in the past tense. Before that, let's outline the learning objectives, exploring different German tenses, understanding perfect, and forming sentences in imperfect. 3 forms of past tense in German. In Lesson 41, we touched on 3 past tenses, Vergangenheit, including Plusquamperfecto, Preteritum, and perfect. Today, our focus is on perfect, the present perfect tense extensively used in spoken language. Sentence structure in past tense. Unraveling the structure of past tense sentences is crucial. By examining examples in both present and past tenses, we'll grasp the essence of conveying actions that have already occurred. Present tense example, HS Islands. I'm eating ice cream. Past tense transformation. Ich habe einen Zlatko gegessen. Eita Zlatko. Mastering the helping verbs. In perfect, the second position is occupied by a helping verb haben or sein. The choice depends on the type of verb used. This crucial element sets the stage for effective sentence construction. Example, a hat mit seinem Hund gespielt. He played with his dog. Perfect sentence forms. Perfect sentences require meticulous formulation. Learn how to use helping verbs, understand verb conjugation, and master the art of crafting past participles. This paves the way for fluid communication in German. Asking questions in perfect. Asking questions in perfect involves understanding the placement of helping verbs and past participles. Whether the helping verb is at the beginning or middle, the structure is key to effective communication. Modal verbs in past tense. When dealing with modal verbs, such as ich bin krank, I am sick, understanding their preterite form is crucial. This adds another layer to constructing past tense sentences. Practical exercise. Time for a hands-on exercise. Piece together sentences using provided fragments to reinforce your understanding of imperfect sentence construction. 1. Hast du einen Hausaufgaben gemacht? Have you done your homework? 2. Harbor Newell dry, stun. Engage Loven, sir. You have dried the laundry in the sun. 3. Am Freitag Cynthia in ski? Did Cynthia ski on Friday? Congratulations on completing this lesson. In the upcoming sessions, we'll delve into the usage of the helping verbs haben and sein, and explore forming past participles for various verbs. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language insights. Prost!